I like to wrap Teflon tape around the edge. So we're going to make a couple of wraps around here. There we go. Now we're going to screw this onto the saddle. Now, if you are replacing an existing saddle valve, you're going to want to turn the stem all the way in so the needle is exposed. This will allow you to insert the needle into the existing hole in the main line. Now you're going to want to take the gasket, just like that, and place it onto the valve. Now it's ready to be installed. Now we're going to install the valve on the main line. We're going to take the needle, insert it into the existing hole that you already have. Line up the saddle, install both screws, turn the screws until it's snug. And now we're ready to attach the pipe. Slide the brass nut on first, followed by the ferrule. Now, if you already have an existing copper tubing with a nut and the ferrule on it, there's no need to cut the end off. But if you don't have that, this is how it goes together. We're going to slide this ferrule on here at least an inch. Insert the copper tubing into the valve. Slide the ferrule forward, the nut forward, and begin to tighten it. It's important that you keep pressure on the copper tubing, pushing it into the valve, because oftentimes when you tighten the nut, it wants to push the copper tubing back out of the valve. Now you're going to get your wrenches out and tighten this. If you have plastic hose going to your humidifier, take the brass nut, install it first. The nylon ferrule, you'll notice there's a pointy side and a dull side. The pointy side goes towards the valve. I'm going to slide this onto the tube. Install the insert. Insert it into the valve. I'm putting pressure on the hose to keep it installed into the valve. Now we're going to get the wrenches out and make it snug. The assembly is now complete. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.